In the Name of the People, documentary film In the Name of the People, about the controversial exhibition that stirred the public in Serbia. Topics that have been whispered about for decades. Liquidations of the people's enemies directed by Ozna.
How's work going? Do we have any captured enemies of the people today? We have a public enemy. It is to bring in Dobrivoje Tomic. This is his personal file.
Political trials, persecution of peasants, Goli Otok and other camps.
Here's what Ozna will admit it got wrong.
What did Dusan Kovacevic, Jelisaveta Karađorđević, Goran Marković say, and others about the first exhibition on communist repression in Serbia?
We simply must not allow anything like this to ever happen again.
Film about the exhibition, presentations, and virtual 3D reconstruction. Victims of Communism Memorial Foundation, Washington, D.C., December 1st, 2025.
And that's why the exhibition In the Name of the People, dear visitors, because there was silence about that period for a long time, and because we wanted to tell the people the truth.
In the Name of the People.